Top 4 Best Food You Should Eat to Flush Out Toxins and Repair Kidney Fast. Have you ever felt that quiet discomfort in your body? The fatigue that doesn't go away, the swelling, the frequent trips to the bathroom, or sometimes not enough at all. My dear friend, your kidneys may be trying to whisper something to you. After 50, they don't bounce back like they used to. Years of toxins, medications, and poor eating habits slowly build up. But here's the comforting truth. Your body still wants to heal. With the right foods, you can gently support your kidneys, flush out toxins, and restore some of that lost vitality. Today, I'll guide you with care. 1. Cranberries. Cranberries are one of the most gentle yet powerful foods for supporting kidney health, especially as the body ages and becomes more sensitive to internal stress. They contain natural compounds called proanthocyanidins, which many doctors explain can help stop harmful bacteria from attaching to the walls of the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections that often place extra pressure on the kidneys. As people move past the age of 40 and into their 50s and beyond, the immune system naturally weakens, making it easier for bacteria and toxins to build up in the body. Some medical experts note that recurring urinary tract issues are more common in older adults, and this repeated strain can slowly affect kidney efficiency. Cranberries offer a simple, natural way to support the body's defense system without adding extra burden. They also support bladder health, which is closely linked to how well the kidneys function. When the bladder stays healthier and free from infection, the kidneys do not have to work as hard to filter and clean the blood. This connection is important because even small infections, if repeated often, can gradually weaken kidney strength over time. Another key benefit of cranberries is their ability to reduce inflammation inside the body. Aging kidneys are often affected by low-grade inflammation caused by years of processed foods, medications, and not drinking enough water. Research has shown that antioxidants found in cranberries help calm this internal irritation, allowing kidney tissues to function in a more balanced and stable way. Some doctors also highlight that inflammation can quietly damage kidney filters over time, especially when it is not controlled. By reducing this stress, cranberries give the kidneys a chance to operate more smoothly and with less strain. This gentle support is especially helpful for seniors who may already be managing other health conditions that affect the kidneys. It is important, however, to choose cranberries in their pure and natural form. Fresh cranberries or unsweetened juice provide the benefits the body needs without harmful additives. Many store-bought juices contain large amounts of sugar, and excessive sugar intake is known to increase inflammation and place additional pressure on the kidneys, which defeats the purpose of using cranberries for support. Nutrition specialists often recommend reading labels carefully and avoiding products that include added sugars or artificial ingredients. Even small daily choices can make a meaningful difference over time. A simple glass of pure cranberry juice or a handful of fresh berries can support the body in a safe and steady way. Cranberries should not be seen as a quick fix, but rather as a consistent source of support for long-term kidney health. Their gentle action makes them suitable for regular use, especially for older adults who need steady and reliable ways to maintain their health without harsh treatments. Over time, regular intake can help reduce the buildup of toxins that the kidneys must filter each day. This ongoing support becomes increasingly valuable with age, as the body's natural cleansing processes slow down. By assisting the urinary system in staying clear and balanced, cranberries indirectly ease the workload placed on the kidneys. Medical guidance often emphasizes prevention as one of the most effective ways to protect kidney health. Foods like cranberries fit well into this approach because they work gently, without causing sudden changes or stress to the body. Their natural compounds support balance, rather than forcing the body to react quickly. For individuals who are already experiencing mild kidney concerns, Adding cranberries to the diet can be a supportive step when combined with proper medical care. Some studies suggest that consistent use may help reduce the frequency of urinary infections, which can otherwise worsen kidney strain if left unmanaged. Choosing cranberries regularly is a small but meaningful act of care for the body. It reflects an understanding that healing does not always come from strong or aggressive methods, but often from gentle and consistent nourishment. With time, this steady support can help maintain comfort, reduce strain, and promote a healthier balance within the kidneys. Maintaining this habit over weeks and months allows the body to respond naturally, supporting kidney function in a way that feels steady, safe, and sustainable for long-term wellness and improved overall comfort each day. 2. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are one of the most effective foods for protecting and supporting kidney function, especially in older adults whose bodies no longer filter waste as efficiently as before. They are naturally low in potassium, which is a crucial benefit for individuals with weakened kidneys, since excess potassium can build up in the blood and lead to serious complications when the kidneys cannot remove it properly. Many doctors explain that managing potassium intake becomes increasingly important after the age of 50, particularly for those already experiencing early signs of kidney decline. Red bell peppers provide essential nutrients without adding to that risk, making them a safer and more supportive choice compared to many other vegetables that are higher in potassium levels. These bright, colorful vegetables are rich in vitamins A, C, and B6, along with antioxidants such as lycopene. Research suggests that these nutrients help reduce oxidative stress, a condition where harmful molecules damage cells over time. Oxidative stress is known to play a significant role in kidney damage, especially in aging individuals whose natural repair systems have slowed down as the body ages. Its ability to fight off this type of internal damage becomes weaker. This is why foods rich in antioxidants are often recommended by nutrition experts. Red bell peppers provide this protection in a natural and gentle way, helping shield kidney tissues from ongoing wear and tear caused by toxins and metabolic waste. Another important benefit is their positive effect on blood circulation. Healthy kidneys depend on a steady and sufficient blood supply to filter waste and maintain balance in the body. Some medical studies highlight that poor circulation can quietly reduce kidney efficiency over time, especially in seniors who may already experience reduced blood flow due to aging or other health conditions. Red bell peppers contain compounds that help support vascular health, allowing blood to move more freely through the body. This improved circulation ensures that the kidneys receive enough oxygen and nutrients to function properly, which is essential for maintaining their strength and performance over time. Inflammation is another hidden factor that affects kidney health, often without clear symptoms in the early stages. Chronic inflammation has been described by some doctors as a slow internal process that gradually damages organs, including the kidneys. Over many years, this ongoing irritation can reduce the kidney's ability to filter waste effectively. The nutrients found in red bell peppers help reduce this inflammation, creating a more balanced internal environment. By calming this ongoing stress, the kidneys are better able to repair minor damage and continue functioning more smoothly. This type of support is especially valuable for individuals over 50, whose bodies may already be dealing with long-term exposure to inflammatory triggers. Incorporating red bell peppers into daily meals is simple and practical. They can be eaten raw in salads, lightly cooked to preserve their nutrients, or added to warm dishes without losing their benefits. Their natural sweetness and soft texture make them easy to include in meals, even for those with sensitive digestion. Nutrition specialists often encourage choosing foods that are both beneficial and easy to maintain as a regular habit. Red bell peppers fit this approach well, offering both flavor and health support without requiring major changes to daily routines. This makes them particularly suitable for seniors who prefer simple and manageable dietary adjustments. Over time, small and consistent choices like including red bell peppers can contribute to better kidney support. While they are not a cure, they play a meaningful role in reducing the daily strain placed on the kidneys. This steady support becomes more valuable with age, as the body depends more on gentle and consistent care rather than sudden or intense changes. Medical guidance frequently emphasizes that protecting kidney health is not about one single action, but about maintaining balance over time. Foods like red bell peppers support this balance by providing essential nutrients without adding extra burden, helping the body function in a more stable and efficient way. Regular inclusion of such foods supports the body's natural processes, allowing the kidneys to work with less stress and more stability. This kind of quiet, ongoing support can help maintain comfort, reduce risk, and contribute to better overall kidney function as the years go by. 3. Garlic. Garlic is a powerful natural food that supports kidney health, especially as the body ages and becomes more vulnerable to long-term damage. It has been widely studied for its ability to help cleanse the body, reduce internal stress, and support organ function in a gentle but effective way. For individuals over 40, and particularly those over 50, these benefits become more meaningful as the kidneys face years of accumulated strain. Garlic contains an active compound known as allicin, which forms when fresh garlic is crushed or chopped. Research has shown that allicin has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties help protect kidney tissues from ongoing damage caused by toxins, medications, and unhealthy dietary patterns that may have developed over time. This protection is especially important because kidney cells do not easily regenerate once they are significantly damaged. High blood pressure is one of the most common causes of kidney damage, and managing it is essential for protecting kidney health. Garlic has been shown in several studies to help lower blood pressure naturally by relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. When blood pressure remains high, it places continuous strain on the kidneys, forcing them to work harder than they should. By helping to control blood pressure, garlic reduces this strain and allows the kidneys to operate under less pressure. Some doctors note that even small reductions in blood pressure can make a significant difference in slowing down kidney damage over time. This makes garlic a valuable addition for those looking to support their kidneys in a natural and steady way. Improved circulation is another benefit associated with garlic. Healthy blood flow ensures that the kidneys receive enough oxygen and nutrients to perform their essential functions. Poor circulation, which becomes more common with age, can limit this supply and gradually weaken kidney performance. Garlic supports better circulation, helping maintain a healthier internal balance. It is important to use garlic in its fresh form to gain the full benefit of allicin. Cooking at very high temperatures can reduce some of its active compounds, so lightly cooking or adding it toward the end of meal preparation is often recommended by nutrition specialists. Some individuals also choose to consume small amounts of raw garlic depending on their tolerance. For older adults, garlic offers a simple and natural way to support kidney health without placing additional stress on the body. Its gentle yet effective action makes it suitable for regular use, especially for those who prefer natural approaches alongside medical care. Medical advice often highlights the importance of protecting the kidneys before serious problems develop. Garlic fits well into this approach, offering support that works gradually and safely. Its role is not to provide immediate results, but to strengthen the body's natural defenses over time. Maintaining kidney health requires consistent and thoughtful care, and garlic serves as a reliable part of that process. Its natural compounds work quietly within the body, supporting balance, reducing strain, and helping preserve kidney function in a steady and sustainable way for the years ahead. 4. Processed and salty foods. Processed and salty foods are among the most harmful choices for kidney health, especially after the age of 50 when the body becomes less capable of handling excess strain. Many doctors warn that the damage caused by these foods does not happen suddenly, but builds slowly over years, often without clear symptoms until the kidneys are already weakened. These foods are typically high in sodium, preservatives, and artificial additives that the kidneys must filter out of the bloodstream. Over time, this constant demand places a heavy burden on the kidneys. Research shows that when the kidneys are repeatedly forced to process high levels of sodium and chemicals, their efficiency begins to decline, making it harder to remove toxins from the body. Processed foods, such as packaged snacks, instant noodles, frozen meals, and fast food are common sources of excessive sodium and harmful additives. In addition to their high salt content, these foods often lack essential nutrients that the body needs to repair and maintain healthy tissues. This creates a double burden, where the body is exposed to harmful substances while also being deprived of the nutrients required for healing. For older adults, this imbalance becomes more serious. The body's natural ability to process and eliminate excess salt declines with age. What may have been tolerated in earlier years can now place significant stress on the kidneys. Some medical experts note that even moderate increases in sodium intake can have a stronger impact in individuals over 40, especially those with existing health concerns. Artificial preservatives and additives present another concern. These chemicals are added to extend shelf life and enhance flavor, but they must still be filtered and removed by the kidneys. Over time, repeated exposure can contribute to the overall toxic load in the body, increasing the work the kidneys must perform each day. Reducing processed and salty foods is often recommended as a key step in protecting kidney function. This does not require sudden or extreme changes, but rather a gradual shift towards simpler and more natural food choices. Small adjustments can help lower sodium intake and reduce the strain placed on the kidneys. Many nutrition specialists suggest paying attention to food labels, as sodium content can be higher than expected, even in foods that do not taste particularly salty. Becoming aware of these hidden sources is an important part of protecting kidney health over time. Choosing to limit processed foods supports the body's ability to maintain balance. It allows the kidneys to work under less pressure, improving their ability to filter waste effectively. This kind of support becomes more valuable with age. As the body depends more on steady and consistent care, the kidneys play a vital role in maintaining overall health, quietly working every moment to keep the body in balance. Protecting them means reducing unnecessary strain and allowing them to function as efficiently as possible. Over time, consistent efforts to reduce sodium and avoid heavily processed foods can help preserve kidney function and support long-term well-being. This approach focuses on prevention and care, helping the body remain stronger and more resilient as the years go forward.